So I took measurements from some blueprints from Fender, from this horn of the guitar, coming down to the point where the forearm cut starts, 12 3/4. I marked that here, and then it comes up to about 1/8 of an inch or so, just to the other side of the center line. So let's draw a line there and start cutting that out. And it comes down to about 5/8 from the body, from the bottom of the body here. So, yep, that's right. So I've got a line there. So now what I'm going to do, take the pulse off and cut some lines. So this is going to make it easier to chisel out. Let's see, this over here. I'm going to start with one of these. I don't know what they call this. It's like a microplane type of thing. It removes quite a bit of material. I'm going to start with that. Now I'm going to come in with one of these rasps, smooth this out a little bit, get a better idea. I'm still going to go down further, but at least I can start to see how it's going to start looking here. Now I've just got some 120 on a sanding foam pad. Go around and clean everything up. There's some spots here with some really open grain. I just put some filler in there and sand it back. That would have been way too much to fill with grain filler. So I'll just keep sanding this back and move on. Alright, I'm going to route the cavity for the tremolo springs. And then I'll do it on the other side too. Normally I would do this earlier, but I wanted to take measurements from the guitar that I had inside because I knew this template wasn't right for this for a Strat. And then also I left the neck pocket. I like to hold off on that until I have the neck cut which I do, shaped. Not the neck profile, but I have it on the router table, so it's all up to size. So we'll do that next. Oh, and this template still doesn't fit. So what I do is I have this side lined up, and I have my lines drawn. It's going to go about 0.625 of an inch deep, so a little more than half an inch. I got a half-inch bit with a top bearing on it, but I'll just move the template. I'm going to route this side out, move the template, and hit this side. I've got all these round corners here, which will help you. So that actually looks pretty good. Normally, I wouldn't freehand it, but had pretty good control and was doing. It's a pretty short area for shallow passes, so it worked out. So I'm going to clean this up with a file. These little edges. Now what I want to do is go from the top. This table sucks. I want to go from the top. This hole's smaller. There's going to be a little lip underneath, so call. It's pretty. Still sucks. Let's see here, I might have a bit. It's a half-inch deep. So I don't know that I don't need to go all the way through, but at least I want to get close because then I can drill it out. It's looking good. So now drill through